So are you also running an interior designing business? Then this video is definitely for you. So hello all, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow, and in this video we are going to understand how to build an AI agent WhatsApp chatbot for your interior designing business. So like you, I'm also running a same business and we regularly receive user queries on WhatsApp, but this is such a time consuming and a tedious task to reply to those same WhatsApp messages over and over again. So I let AI handle it. What I've done is I've simply created an AI agent WhatsApp chatbot, and now whenever my user is going to send me a message, an automatic reply will be sent towards my user using the same knowledge base which I've uploaded on my AI agent. So if you also want to create this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for your own business, then for that you have to come with me towards my screen. Welcome to my screen. So in this video I'll show you how to build a WhatsApp chatbot powered by an AI agent designed specifically to support an interior designer business. From helping clients explore designs and book consultations to sharing project galleries and answering common questions, this chatbot can handle it all 24/7. So let's dive in and elevate your client experience through smart and automated conversation. So as you can see that I have already created an AI assistant for my studio Nest Interiors, which is my interior designing studio. And first I'm just going to show you the proper working of this WhatsApp chatbot. So for that I'm just going to open my WhatsApp, and let's see, I'm just going to message them, hey, I need help. So I'm simply going to enter, hey, I need help right over here, and I'm just going to send them this, hey, I need help. And once I'm just going to send them this message, automatically the chatbot got started and it is saying, what do you need assistance with? So let's say I'm just going to enter my message right over here, which is show me what all you offer, and I'm just going to send them this message. And once I'm just going to send them this message, yes, you can see that it is going to reply me accordingly. And after they share what they offer, I'm just going to ask them for their price. So I'm just going to enter price question mark right over here and send them this price. And once I'm just going to send them this, it is going to share me all the pricing details. Over here you can see that it has successfully shared the pricing details. Let's say I'm just going to ask them for their contact details. So I'm just going to enter contact details right over here and then question mark. And now it is going to share me the contact details too. Over here you can see that it has successfully shared the contact details too, also the support hours. So you must be wondering from where the AI got the information about my brand. So yes, I have uploaded a knowledge base on this AI agent where I have added all the details of my brand, and it is going to respond me according to this knowledge base only. Over here you can see the contact information which I have added. Over here you can see all the details. Let's say I'm just going to show you a practical example of this refund process. I'm just going to ask them for this refund process. So I'm just going to open the WhatsApp, and let's say I'm just going to send them this refund process question mark message, and it is going to respond me accordingly to the knowledge base which I uploaded. So yes, you can see that it is sharing the refund process, which is exactly the same which I have mentioned right over here in my knowledge base. So yes, you can see that we have successfully created this amazing WhatsApp chatbot which is created using Pabbly Chatflow. And if you also want to create this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for your own interior designing business, then for that you have to watch this tutorial till the end. So to do this, what we have to do is we simply have to open a new tab, and we're just going to open the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow simply by searching pabbly.com/chatflow in my browser. And now it is opening the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow, and over here we're just going to get to options. Alright, one is sign in and the another one is sign up for free. So if you are a new user, you can click on this sign up for free, and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore the application. But over here I am an existing user, so I'm simply going to click on this button which says sign in, and now it is opening all Pabbly apps, and over here you can see all the tools and applications offered by Pabbly. But in today's video, we are going to use Pabbly Chatflow because I want to automate WhatsApp conversations effortlessly. So I'm simply going to click on this access now right over here to access my Pabbly Chatflow account. And now it is opening my Pabbly Chatflow account. And over here on my dashboard, you can see multiple credits allotted, consumed, remaining, and the WhatsApp numbers added. So to create a WhatsApp chatbot using AI agent, you first have to add a WhatsApp number inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. So to add a WhatsApp WhatsApp number, you simply have to click on this blue button which says add WhatsApp number. And over here, you're going to get two methods, WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. So you can use any one of this method to add the WhatsApp number. And if you want to know more about these methods, a video tutorial dedicated towards both of these methods have been attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I have already added my WhatsApp number inside my Pabbly Chatflow account. So I'm just going to move on forward and create an AI assistant. For that, I'm just going to go towards this left side of the bar of my Pabbly Chatflow account. And over here, you can see all the features offered by Pabbly Chatflow. And if you want to learn about any of this feature in detail, we have attached a video tutorial dedicated towards each of this feature in detail in the description box below. You can check it out. Today, this video is only going to focus on how to create an AI agent WhatsApp chatbot for interior designing business. So for that, I'm directly going to move on towards this AI assistant feature of Pabbly Chatflow. And over here, you're going to see the total AI assistant, active AI assistant, and the inactive AI assistant. And to create an AI assistant, you simply have to go towards this add AI assistant. And over here, you have to give your assistant a name. So let's say I'm just going to name my assistant as Studio Nest Interiors and click on this add AI assistant button. And once I'm just going to click on this add AI assistant button, yes, you can see it is opening a window something like this in front of us. And now we have to select the instruction type. So over here, there are multiple instruction types which are preset. If you want to enter a custom prompt, you can select this custom prompt and you can simply customize your prompt. I'm just going to select the instruction type as AI agent right over here, and automatically the prompt and the instructions will be generated accordingly. So yes, now after selecting this, I'm just going to move on further. We don't have to change these instructions. Now it is asking me for the temperature. So the temperature range will be from 0 to 1, where 0 is reserved and 1 is creative. So when you move this temperature towards the 1, the responses of the AI will be more creative, and if you keep it near to 0, it will be more reserved. And over here, it is asking me to select the AI to use. So I'm simply going to select the AI to use, which is OpenAI. And now it is asking me to select the model of your assistant. So I'm simply going to select it as GPT-4o Mini. Now I'm just going to move on forward, and over here it is asking me for the API token. And to get this API token, we are simply going to follow the help text, and it is saying kindly visit your OpenAI API key page to get the API key that you need to enter here. So I'm simply going to go towards my OpenAI API key page to get the API key. And after coming over here, we simply have to go towards this create new secret key. I'm just going to name my key, select the project and click on this create secret key button, and over here my key has been created. So I'm simply going to copy this key, and then we're just going to paste that API token right over here and click on this connect. And once I'm just going to click on this connect, with this we have successfully saved this OpenAI key. And after doing this, we are simply going to move on further. Over here we have successfully completed this AI instruction step, and I'm just going to move on towards this knowledge source. And over here I'm just going to upload my knowledge source. For that, you have to keep in mind that the file in which you're uploading the knowledge source should be only based on TXT. So to upload this knowledge source, I'm simply going to go towards this choose a file, and over here you can see a TXT file. So I'm simply going to upload it right over here. And as you can see that my knowledge base has been uploaded right over here. You can see the uploaded file, you can see the file name, and also the vector ID. This is the proof that I have successfully uploaded my knowledge base. So you must be wondering from where you're just going to get this TXT format file. So you simply have to add your knowledge base into a Google Doc, go towards this file, download, and from here you can download the file in TXT, which is plain text format, and simply add that right over here. Alright, so now we're just going to move on towards the next step, which is assistance interface. And over here you can see that it is asking me for the heading name. So for the heading name, I'm just going to keep it as this Studio Nest Interiors. So yes, you can see that this has been updated right over here too. Now I'm just going to move on further. It is saying header display subheading name. So I'm just going to keep it as same only, which is we are online and happy to assist you. Now I'm just going to select the initial message as same only. If you wish, you can definitely change it, or if you wish, you can definitely add two initial messages too right over here. You simply have to type the initial message and press enter to add it. And now it is saying display the powered by Pabbly label. So if you want to enable this, you can simply keep it as enable, and if you want to disable this powered by Pabbly, you can simply go towards this disable and it will be disappeared right from here. I'm just going to keep it as enable only, and I'm just going to move on further. Now it is asking me for the footer text. So over here you can add anything. I have added privacy policy right over here, and if you want, you can definitely add a footer link to right over here. I'm just going to keep it as same only. Now it is saying user first message, so this can be anything. You can change it according to your own choice. I'm just going to keep it as I need help, and now it is asking me for the fallback message. So what is this fallback message? So let's say I uploaded the knowledge base, and in that knowledge base we have not added certain information, and when my user is going to ask about that certain information, what is my AI agent going to reply? So it is going to reply a fallback message. All right, so that is the reason that we set a fallback message right over here, that when my AI doesn't have any particular reply, it can use this fallback message. So I'm just going to enter my fallback message as I am here to assist you with questions related to the company information or support. If you have any more questions about our services or need any assistance with something specific, feel free to ask at, and I'm just going to enter my support email address. And now after entering this, I'm just going to move on further. Now I'm just going to move on towards the next section, which is styling. So over here you can select the styling and you can definitely customize it. I'm just going to keep it as same only. And after doing this, we have successfully created an AI assistant for our Studio Nest interiors, and I'm just going to switch on this button in order to activate this AI assistant. And now I'm just going to simply click on this blue button which says Save AI Assistant, and once I'm just going to click on this blue button, it is saying AI assistant saved successfully. And now further, you can add this AI assistant on your website simply by going towards this embedded button, and over here with the help of this script you can simply add it in your website too. Alright, now after creating this AI assistant, I'm just going to show you the proper working of this. For that, I'm just going to open my WhatsApp, and first I'm just going to clear the previous conversation, and let's say I'm just going to start fresh. So let's say I'm just going to message it, hey, I need help right over here, and I'm just going to send them this message. And once I'm just going to send them this message, yes, you can see that my AI agent WhatsApp chatbot is replying me, what do you need assistance with today? So over here now further, it is going to solve all my queries according to this knowledge base. Let's say I'm just going to ask this for the store timings. So I'm just going to enter store timings right over here. So I'm just going to enter store timings and send them this message. And once I'm just going to send them this message, it is going to share me the store timings as mentioned in the knowledge base. So yes, you can see that it has successfully shared me the store timings as mentioned in the knowledge base. And further, I'm just going to ask them any question, it is going to respond me. So yes, with this, we have successfully created an AI assistant for our own interior designing business. Now, you also go and try this amazing AI assistant feature by Pabbly and create a WhatsApp chatbot for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Till then, try this amazing WhatsApp chatbot. Thank you for watching. So not only this, but with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, you can create multiple chatbots which are tailored to your specific business needs. So now if you have any questions, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow.